Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can generate $100 of commission every single day by doing affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is one of the biggest marketplace and you can really make huge amount of money. And yes, there are a lot of noise in the market that you cannot make money, or maybe there are people who are not able to generate money. But yes, those people who are not even generating money, they are not following some strategic things, they are not implementing their business, and that's why they are not generating money. So before going ahead, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from Chowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, entrepreneurship, and various other things by which you can generate your first income over online. Before jumping into the main topic, how you can earn $100 every single day, I would like to say something regarding the numbers and understand one thing. Everything, it may be a commission, it can be a revenue, it can be any of the term, everything is a game of numbers. So you have to really master the game of numbers. If you want to earn $100 every single day, then if you are promoting maybe $10 of a product, then you will need to generate 10 sales to generate $100. However, if you are promoting $100 of product, or maybe which is very close to like $80 or $90 of a product, then you will need to generate one sale in order to generate your first $100 of commission. Okay, so understand one thing, there are a lot of people who are doing affiliate marketing or like Amazon, or maybe they are doing CPM marketing. Anyway, I tried affiliate marketing with Amazon and I got some results and it was really good. But thing is that Amazon is not that much. If you are building your business, you will need money. If you want to generate good amount of money, then you will need to promote high ticket product, because you are putting the same amount of effort, you are putting same amount of energy, and if you are not generating that much amount of money which is required for your business, then there is no point of investing that much amount of time, right? So in this case, this is the reason I always tell all of my people to promote high ticket product. If you are watching this video, maybe you want to earn, you want to know how you can earn $100 every single day. Okay, so for example, if you are promoting any high ticket offer which is close to $100, or maybe which is exactly $100, then it will be easy to generate one sale every day. Then it is your income goal is automatically becoming in a stack, and you can really make good amount of money if you are promoting the exact way which is I'm going to reveal. And this is what I do in my daily life, and I generate good amount of money. As you people know, I'm in the niche of wealth, make money online. So I have some background of website designing, coding, programming, and all. So I promote a website that is Wix, and Wix is pretty much free, and people are who are searching for different kind of keywords, like how to make a free website, or maybe how to create a website in Wix. So if they found my content, then I'm going to generate a commission of $100, because Wix is giving $100 of commission. Apart from that, there is a program of ClickFunnels, and that is one funnel away challenge, and that's one funnel away challenge, that's a 30-day challenge. Those people who are into marketing, or maybe who doesn't know how to build a sales funnel, who doesn't know how to drive traffic, who doesn't know how to generate revenue, how to make a visitor into customer, then funnel is very important. And yes, if you are thinking like you don't need a funnel, you are going in the wrong track, my dear, because in today's date, if you are not creating a funnel, if you don't understand the game of funnel, if you don't understand how to make a visitor into your customer, then you are losing huge amount of money, you are losing huge potential clients which can be yours. Okay, it doesn't matter whatever business you have, maybe if you have agency, maybe if you are freelancer, maybe if you are a side hustler, anyone who has a business, they must use a funnel. Even in upcoming days, I will show you my funnel, what exact funnel I'm using, what is the funnel strategy I'm using, and what are implementation, and how I'm generating revenues from different of affiliate resources. Make sure you people subscribe so that you can learn and understand the whole concept, and how people are making money, how super affiliates are earning, you can also earning. Anyway, now question is how you can get high ticket product. So this is pretty pretty easy. Everything is available in Google and YouTube. If you simply go to YouTube, or maybe if you simply go to Google, if you just type high ticket affiliate programs, and you can write down your niche. It may be health, it may be wealth, it may be relationship, anything. If you will get high ticket affiliate products in every niche, and you can literally make good amount of money. And the best part of high ticket affiliate programs, they have a team, they have sales team. You have to just drive them, and they will take care of everything. Like for example, if I, as I said, I am promoting ClickFunnels, and I am an affiliate of ClickFunnels. That is a software of landing page creation, and I create different of videos or articles regarding ClickFunnels. And when I am driving them to ClickFunnels, there is a team of ClickFunnels. They are doing upsell for me, so I don't have to worry for anything. So I have to just drive them for a free trial. Okay, ClickFunnels is giving free trial, Wix is giving free trial. So simple thing, free trial products are extremely easy to promote, because you have to simply just say, hey, I have a product for and yes, understand one thing, you have to figure it out, your product, your service, whatever you are promoting, what is the problem it is solving. Because you have to always think about their problem, you have to always figure it out how you can solve their problem with your products, with your services. Doesn't matter whatever you are doing. It may be you might be selling your own service, you might be selling some affiliate products, affiliate service, whatever, but you have to understand what is their exact problem and how you can give them solution. You have to think in their level. Okay, so no matter what, for example, Wix, if you are promoting Wix, or maybe if you are promoting ClickFunnels, or maybe any funnel building software, so it doesn't matter how much you are promoting, how much you bulk in front of your audience, if they don't have any necessity, they won't buy. And yes, this is the mistake what amateur affiliate marketers are making. They are promoting, they are commenting, they are commenting different kind of affiliate links in different places. It can be Facebook, YouTube, or different of ways. They are thinking like sale will be generated by mistakenly. No, it doesn't way in that way, it doesn't work in that way. You have to build a trust with your audience, then you have to create a bridge page. Bridge page is just to warming up that particular prospect, the prospective customer. Then you have to send that particular customer to that offer, to that particular service or product, whatever you are promoting. This is the strategic way. You have a product, like it can be Wix, it can be ClickFunnels. As I said, one funnel away is promoting, giving $100 of commission, and the Wix is also giving $100 of commission. And both the program has a free trial. If you are promoting free trial, and chances are more people will stick with that, because people want to experience that platform, people want to set up and understand. This is pretty much very psychological. For example, you want to create a website, you have designed a website on free trial, and after free trial has expired, you are bound to pay that service, because you have already done the work, you have already set up the website. It can be for email sequence, it can be for email market, as I said, email marketing or lead generation, funnel, anything. The free trial things, it works really, and it worked for me in various of ways. Maximum of the offers what I am promoting is a free trial, because I know once people are going into the free trial, they are experiencing the platform, they have already built up their site or built up their different kind of whatever it can be. If I said, it can be a lead generation campaign, or it can be an opt-in, whatever, doesn't matter. If they are already building that, might be they are interested, and chances are more that people will definitely opted for a paid version, or once their free trial version is over, they will stick with that particular product, whatever I am going to generate, whatever I am promoting, and I'll be generating good amount of revenue. Okay, so now how I promote. I have an offer of $100. What is going to give me the $100 of commission? As I said, it's a ClickFunnel, one funnel level challenge, and Wix. And if you ask me how I promote my offers, and yes, my goal is to earn $100 every single day, and I need only one sale. Be very specific what you need and what you want to do. Okay, so you need only one sale. Doesn't matter, you don't have to be worried about your audience. You have to simply get a targeted traffic, and you can literally make good amount of money. So there is a hype in the market, you have to build a audience, you have to build a huge number of followers. No, if you have a targeted traffic, you can make good amount of money with very small amount of a small amount of audience also. Now how I promote my different kind of offers. So as you people know, if you are watching me from couple of times, you people know I have couple of blogs. So I mainly rely on YouTube blog, and there is one website Pinterest. And because Pinterest is a search engine, so YouTube is a search engine, and then Google is search engine, then Pinterest is also a search engine as well as social book marketing website. So I don't rely on, and yes, these are all free ways. If I need to promote, I have different of ways. I can go for different kind of paid ads, or it can be Facebook ads, whatever. Anyway, so if I am focusing on free ways, so I have to put out different kind of contents. So contents in the sense that I have to figure it out what is the exact keyword people are searching to get rid of or to get the product. Okay, so it can be, as I said, if I give you an example, so you can just simply type in Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest is a free tool by Neil Patel. So you can just go to Uber Suggest and you can just simply search how to make a website. You will get a lot of keywords and you can build your contents around them. Okay, and after that, after you have a content, you can create a video, you can create a blog post, you can create a pin, and you can update on Pinterest or your blog, your YouTube. So anyway, you are promoting your contents, and you, this is the thing what you have to do. And all, whenever people are searching, so for example, anyone is searching how to make a website in Wix, how to build a funnel in ClickFunnels, or maybe how to create a email sequence in ClickFunnels or whatever, or maybe how to create a opt-in page in ClickFunnels. So these are all things, these are all people who are into a problem, and you are giving them some solution, and after giving the solution, you are referring that a tool. Okay, so maybe for example, if I take an example of how to make a website for free, so you are giving some solutions and you are giving, hey, there is a website called as Wix, you can register it for a free, and this is how you can create a website for free. So people are registering on Wix, or maybe they are using ClickFunnels and they are building their website or their sales funnel, and once their trial period is over, then you will get commission. Boom, this is how you can implement. And yes, to be very honest with you guys, for free ways, like as I said, blog post or maybe YouTube or maybe Pinterest, so these are all free ways, and these are all search engines. I only rely on search engine if I go for free ways, because number one thing, I don't have to pay anything. Number two thing, along with time, my videos or my post, it is getting ranked, and of course it will get ranked maybe down the line somewhere. And if it is getting ranked, if it is getting much more visibility in front of the audience, there are chances that my page will be visible in front of huge number of audience. So this is a kind of truly passive thing, like you are doing the whole work once and you will get paid for a whole time, maybe for 2 years or 3 years. Every time people buy from your affiliate link, you will get commission. You did the work for once. Okay, more importantly, I do not promote this kind of stuffs in Instagram or in Facebook, because for example, if anyone is just browsing their feeds in maybe the person is using washroom, or maybe they are in some break, in lunch break, or in dinner, and they are just browsing that particular thing in Facebook or Instagram, and they don't have any tendency to buy. So I don't need this kind of customer. So if they need anything, they will go to Google or they will go to YouTube and they will search for information. And yes, I want this kind of particular people because they have some tendency to buy. Okay, so this is how you can remodel the whole thing. And in today's date, affiliate marketing is extremely easy. And yes, internet is completely noisy, because if you are not going in strategic way, someone will say this, someone will say this, and you will end up being overwhelmed. Yes, there is nothing to get overwhelmed. You have to take some strategic ways. You have to learn how you can implement the strategies, how you can remodel the business figure, remodel the business structure. and you have to be master in remodeling how people are doing, how successful people are doing. Okay, so I hope I was able to give a value in this particular video. Let me know if you have concerns in the comment section below, and also let me know if you have any questions, any doubt, and whatever topic you might have, you can just comment me in the comment section below. I will try my level best to help out you people. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.